have a tendency to have some small tools get misplaced or covered up with other tools on my workbench. So the question is, when something is a little more delicate or thin or small enough that they're easily hidden behind other things, how do you store them so they're easily accessible but they're not damaged? So here's a quick tip for you. Use magnets. So today I'm going to show you how to use magnets or rare earth magnets to help store your tools. You can either get them at Amazon or Harbor Freight. I'll leave the link for you down below. So I have this blue tape up there so I can memorize where my magnets are behind there. So basically on the inside of my cabinet, let me show you. Right now I have my magnets taped in there, so I want to make sure that that's going to be the best location for my tools on the other side. At such a point in time that I think those are home, I can glue those in. But for now, we'll do that, and that allows me to add more tools if necessary. There's nothing like a little idle time to help you solve some workbench dilemmas, losing your small tools. Use magnets, hold them on the outside of your cabinets or in spots where easily accessible. Try squares, little measuring square, card scrapers. Those are all things that can get covered over by other things. This is a great solution. So if you like our tip, give me a thumbs up. Want to learn more about our woodworking ideas? Consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.